All right, I'm gonna hand back to Pierre to take us through the training and education tips and tricks. And this will be the last section we're covering in this presentation. Oh, sorry, no, this is the one before the last. We're still also
support.
doing this.
Yeah.
Yes.
But we're almost there, guys. Thanks for hanging out. Thanks for being patient with us. We're almost at the finish line here. I just wanted to talk about some of the available training sources that are available for you guys. So first, let's talk about the in-house training sources that we have here at Aviva Select California. Sorry, give me 1 second. So we actually, I'm going to play this video. I'm not sure what, okay, there you go. It's playing now. So we actually offer free workshops that are hosted by our product specialists, and that are 3 of which are on this meeting right now, myself, Alcanza, and Daniel. And we also offer paid training modules as well. And as you will see in this video, I'll show you how to access them. So what you'll want to do is go on our website, california.wonderware.com, and then click on the Get Educated tab that you can see here that's on the home page. And then at that point, you can sort through the different categories, right? So user conferences, training, workshops, so on and so forth. But I personally like to click on View All to get a more holistic view of all of them. And at that point, you'll see all the listed training modules on top here. So Historian Server 2020 R2, for example, that's the top one right there. And then you'll see on the right side, the associated costs. And then below that, you'll see the list of workshops that are scheduled. And as you can see on the right side, those are all free. And I see here in the audience, we have a lot of students from previous workshops. And so you guys know how the process works. We send out emails to help you guys get notified when we're hosting them. And you can also keep track of them on our website. And then we host them fairly regularly on a monthly basis at the very least.